Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide apps on iPhone. Let's get started. So if you would like to remove the apps from your home screen, you need to go ahead and find the app you want to hide, long press onto it, then you need to go ahead and simply tap on remove app. Tap on remove from home screen and just like that, it's now hidden. The app isn't deleted, it's still available in your app gallery. Now you can swipe until you reach the app gallery. From here, you can keep app hidden and only search for them when needed. If you like to hide the entire home screen page, press and hold the home screen until the icons start jiggling, and then you can go ahead and simply tap on the page dot at the bottom and uncheck any pages you don't want visible. Those apps will still be installed, but the whole page is still hidden. So that's it. These are the easiest way to hide apps on iPhone without deleting them. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.